In today's video, I'm gonna do 9 face yoga exercises to brighten up your skin and will give you a gorgeous glow. I'm gonna start with my moisturizer. Don't forget to wash your face. Don't forget the neck and the forehead. A little bit on the eyes. As always, I start with the lymphatic drainage system. I start with my collarbones and massage this area for 10 seconds. Then I come up to the neck. I massage my neck downwards like this for 10 times. Then go to the back of your ears and touch the firm bone behind the ears and start massaging that for 10 seconds. Okay, now we can start. Start on the jowls with 2 fingers, draw small circles and come up from the chin upwards to the sides of your nose and repeat this for 10 times. Nine. 10. Start from the smile lines and go up on the cheeks, again repeating these small circular motions. You have to imagine a line going up on your face and you're gonna move on this line, like this. And do this for 10 times for this part again. The next move gonna be for the jowls and face lift. With your knuckles, you're gonna just massage everything upwards. Make your fist like this. Place your knuckles on your face and start massaging. Coming up. Do this for 30 seconds. Then come up. And again down. This exercise will boost blood circulation on your skin and will help with the brighter and glowing skin. Generally, it will lift your face. And at the end, move upwards like this, massage a little, and come down on the sides of your neck. Let's go to next exercise. Place 2 fingers on the sides of your nose. Start massaging for 10 seconds. Then come upwards on your forehead and then down on the neck. Let's go to the under eyes and removing dark circles and any puffiness here. Move your fingers all over the under eye area like this. Repeat this for 5 times. Be so gentle in this area because this is eye area. And be careful not to pull your skin. And then come to the temples and start massaging on your temples for 10 seconds. Next, come to the forehead area. Start massaging upward like this. From between your eyebrows, come up to the temples and repeat this for 10 times. Be so slow and gentle on this part. Then come to the cheeks and start massaging the cheeks upwards for 10 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go to the next side. 8, 9, 10. Okay, then come to the neck and start massaging upward exactly like the thing that you did on the cheeks, and do this for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was so easy. Next, pinch your jaw and go from the chin to the ears and then come down on the neck sides. Repeat this for 10 times. And lastly, go upwards to your ears, massage the ears for 5 seconds, come down on your neck 3 times, massage collarbones 5 seconds, and we're done. This was it for today's quick video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think might need this glowing routine, and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye!